kung ano man yung mga nakita nyong, or if you have learned anything, or may gusto kayong nakita na gusto nyo ipatuloy, then you can manifest this through votes. Kung may nakita kayo, kasi wala na, because nobody can run for the presidency again. So if you choose another leader for the Philippines, then piliin nyo yung tao na kung saan nyo nakikita yung nakita nyo sa tatay ko.
Nakikialam mo, I mean, may input din po ba kayo sa case na, for example,
Alam mo,
Senator
magkaibigan tayo. Okay. So what's your question again? You were saying?
Wala tuloy ako.
Mayor,
May tanong si Arvin tuloy.
sige. Mayor, what's the first thing that former president asked about Davao when he saw you?
Kumusta na? Kumusta pa lang? Dapat sinabi ko nag-off na ako. Ako na yung mayor. Sabi ko, bumalik ka. Ibalik ka. Pagka ikaw na, ibalik ka lang namin doon sa as mayor.
Gusto pa rin niya. To be mayor.
Eh, sabi niya, yun. Pero, alam mo, yung tatay ko doon sa Davao, kahit ayaw niya pa, people would go to his house and force him to file, certificate of candidacy. So, and I don't think he's going to deny these people who come to him, who want to him as the mayor.
Mayor, what's your reaction about those individuals, particularly asking sort of due process should an arrest warrant against the ICC be presented to them?
I do not know. That's why, diba, I explained earlier. Why would we talk about due process when it has not been followed? There's a precedence na nangyari na eh, yung sa tatay ko. So ngayon, kung may ICC pa, kukunin si Pato, kukunin whoever yung kukunin nila, bakit mag-uusap pa tayo ng due process? Kasi gagawin lang naman ng administrasyon na to and whoever they're conniving with kung ano yung gusto nila. They do not look at the law. They do not follow the processes. So why would we talk about it? Why even discuss it? What's the point?
Correct.
You should ask them, not me. Because my opinion is based on my observations and I can only tell you kung ano yung nakita ko. But ask them, why do they not follow the rules?
Yeah.
You ask the institution, you ask the administration.
Hindi niyo pinapayuan si
But hindi ko pa nakakausap yun. Matagal na kasi nagtatago, di ba?
Yung nasa case pala yung sa lawyers. Hindi interview pa kayo doon if you're satisfied with the or that's up to the VP.
Mostly kay VP. Because I'm not a lawyer. Alam mo yun, siyempre may mga opinion ako, pero tingin ko imatindi din kasi sa case. No, it's just out of frustration. Diba? Siyempre gusto ko yung makalabas na yung tao. It's just
Pero wala man parang get another set. Kasi parang sabi ni Mr. Bowman, so if it's up to the family, if you will ask him again.
yeah, kung may ganun mangyari, it's up to the Vice President. And then ngayon, kasi she's the leader of the pack.
Okay. Alright, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Wala? Wala.
Thank you, sir. Mabuhay ka. Sino yung magpa-picture, guys?
Actually,
Alright na kayo ba? Bye-bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Picture kayo, ma'am. Sige, ma'am. Against the light, ma'am. So, paslan tayo, ma'am. Yan, ganyan, ma'am. Ganyan. Dito daw, Mayor. Dito, sir. Hi, ma'am. Oh, bye po. Ako, ma'am, babe. No problem. Later, ma'am. Dito kang okay sir para hindi para maklaro kayo dito.
Dito ko yan. Miski hindi ko ano yan.
Dito. Hala.